Guys, I'm back. Show you what's up on the S13 today. Real quick, here's a quick look at the wide body kit. Plus 55 rears, plus 55 fronts. It's raining today. So you guys know the accident that I had, and a lot of work has been done the last couple of days. Me and Jeff, an old neighbor of mine, were able to get everything fixed. As you can tell, wheels are straight, body kit is up. I still have to get all the holes drilled. I don't know if you guys can see right here, but
The storm, fender braces.
dude, an awesome thing, but gotta bolt that up. But this kit will make it wider, and then for the over fenders, I already got prepping, cut and weld. Gotta fill those in. Probably gonna use something to fill those. I don't know yet. If you guys have any comments on what I should use, I was thinking of using panel bond and welding it up more. But this I gotta figure out. I mean, it's gonna be covered mostly by the over fender, but I kind of want to pull this out, so I'm probably gonna use a slide hammer. Again, if you guys have recommendations, post in the comments below, or hit me up on Instagram. I know I haven't been active too much just because I've been busy, but just start getting this stuff done. This side will be the hardest part. So, because I have a lack of tools, and you kind of see how much I've bent, but because this is my drift missile, and I will be drifting with this quite a bit, and peeled off the stickers, you can kind of see only the doors got it left. I don't know, just trying to come up with some ways. I really don't want to buy more tools, but I'm feeling like I gotta buy a slide hammer and a heat gun to make it easier, but we'll just give it a couple whacks just to get this out. I just kind of want it to come out to here, and then I'm just gonna drill, maybe bend that back, take the wheel off so that I can fit the rear bumper on. But let me show you guys the front support. Over here in the front. I mean, the hood's still damaged. I'm just gonna fiberglass that up and then paint over and just keep the vents carbon fiber. But got the support back in as best I could. We pulled this out to come along and made it as straight as possible. And the hood pins are lined up again. But you can kind of see just how much that tweaked right there versus this. You know, it's supposed to be like that, not like that. But bent it back into shape. This chromoly bash bar actually took a lot of damage and it saved most of the car. So, and the radiator too, the wing got hit a little, but it still holds. Might change that out later when I do a different motor swap. Not gonna put the headlights in, might do an LED headlight over here since this part broke. You know, to actually have some lights, or I might just put an LED bar in the middle. Who knows? Figure out. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions, like I said, comment below. But now it's 55 millimeters wide on each side. It's a lot wider. So I'm gonna start drilling holes in, making some changes. Oh, at the same time, we added these little, welded these little tabs in on both sides so that I can zip tie it to the bumper here and on the sides, make it a lot easier. Still trying to think of a better way to do this. It's all a little push quick release stuff that you could do, but I don't know if it's worth it. If I hit something again, it's probably just gonna ruin everything. I'm glad I hit this side though versus that side, because then the fuse box underneath there, I mean, this fuse box over here too, but this one just gets pushed in and it's not really mounted down. It's just kind of tucked away. I know it's not the best thing, and I gotta find some grommets to cover those up. That's about it. Let me go back to the rear. Just the mean damage right there. That's all I got for today. Thanks guys for watching. Make another video later. Peace.